How to blur in Photoshop. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can blur the background of any image using Adobe Photoshop. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so here I have a image open in my Photoshop. So first of all, we need to separate the subject from the image, and for that you're gonna go to select and then click on subject, and Photoshop will automatically separate the subject from the image. And now you have to press Ctrl+G to separate it, and here you can see the subject is separated from the image. Now we have two layers, the base layer and the subject layer. Now select the base layer, and then you have to go to filter, blur, and under blur you have to select Gaussian blur. Just select the radius according to the image, hit OK, and here you go. So this is basically how you can blur the background in Photoshop. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.